everyone, in this video I will explain you how to create customer needs assessment. First you need to click add-ons, Enquiry form and then load form template. And you can search customer needs assessment. Click the template and then load selected template. And then check the dashboard, responses, question and settings. After you refresh the page, click the Enquiry form and get link. Click continue and then click your account. Just click advance and then go to Enquiry form and just click allow. After you get the link, just copy it and paste it into your search engine. Now the form is ready to use. You can also edit the question in the question tab. Maybe you can add the new row for new questions, like for example, what is product useful for you? Now you can see the new row in the bottom. Or maybe you can change the question type into radio button. Also you should make an option yes or no. So now the radio button is ready to use. Also you can delete the row if you don't need anymore, like this. So the last question will disappear instantly. Also you can change the body background color from soft blue into yellow, so the background will change. Thank you.